what's up everybody, it's your host Mr. Master, and today I'm back with a new amazing video once again, guys. So basically today's video is something different, and today I'm going to talk about the best Android app device. The app called name as Movavi Clips, and the best thing about the app I really love, not only that guys, and they have a lot of very interesting features which mostly you can't get in any other apps for free. So without wasting time guys, let's get started with this video guys. So first of all, as you could see, when you open the app, will basically some interference like this. So what you need to do is just simply tap on this plus icon, and you will see an option called to add a import a video or photo. So it depends upon you. There you go. And now as you could basically see, it will show you some interference like this. And the best thing is, as you could see, it will ask you which frame you really want. So of course, if you want to do the 1:1 ratio for Instagram, it's the best part. So once you're done with this guys, what you need to do is simply you will see a lot of options. So first let's go check it one by one. So as you could see, audio, and now basically you could adjust the volume or increase the volume of the video by default. Not only that, if you want, you could also add any of your custom music itself. That depends upon your choice. So once you're there, now let me just not add any video. And not only that guys, it has also an option to rotate. So it depends upon what you really want. And similarly, if you want, you could also move any clips in between. For instance, I have two clips. So this was my first, and this is my second. So if you want to move this to the first one, just tap on this move, and basically as you could see, now once I tap here, the first this video will be arrive first, and as you could see, the video has moved. So yeah, but you could do the swapping within minutes. And not only that guys, you can also add transitions. So if you want, for instance, if I add fade in from black, as you could see, the video will start with from the black itself. Similarly, if you want, you can also change the audio speed. It depends upon your need itself. So in my case, if I tap on apply, and now if I play, it will play very slowly. So yeah, that's it. And not only that guys, the best part about this is I really love is the sticker features. There's a lots of stickers, whatever you want, you could just go ahead and add on your video. So let's come to the one of the most important feature if you want to really cut any part of this video. So in my case, I really don't want this part of video, so just go ahead and tap on this and just select the frame which you really want to delete. So in my case, I really want to delete this. Just tap on this, and easily, as you could see, you can easily delete any part of this video from this video itself. And just similarly, just go ahead and select any of this. Similarly, in between, if you want, you can also select the portion which you want to delete and tap on delete, and boom. So that's it. So once you're done with that, you just go ahead and tap on this save icon, and it will show you the final preview and also the total length. And once you're there, just go ahead and tap on save, and that's it. It will save the video within minutes, and that's it. So I hope this video is really helpful guys. Bye guys, your host Mr. Master. See you in my next video. Signing out.